Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you where to find and enable the Propagate features for the routes. First thing you're going to need to do is go into Inventory, and under Configuration you'll find your routes. So generally this is something you'll see on Make to Order, in the sense that it'll help tie specific POs to specific sales orders, and it won't allow other items to be compiled onto the open RFQ. And then essentially within here are your options. Under propagation, usually it's either blank or leave empty if it hasn't already been set up. In this instance, we have the propagate on, save, and it's as easy as that. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.